Welcome to MyTAXPrepOffice. In this video, you will learn how to use the Print e-Filed Return feature. With the Print e-Filed Return feature, tax professionals can print a copy of an e-filed return. The return's PDF will only include the original data that was transmitted to the IRS, state, and/or financial partner. Let's get started. From the e-File Summary widget located on the dashboard, open a client's accepted or rejected tax return. From the Print menu, click on Print e-Filed Return. Please note, the Print e-Filed Return feature is not available until the return is e-filed. The Accepted Rejected e-File list screen will be displayed. Select the Jurisdiction checkbox and click Open. Note, you can only select one jurisdiction at a time. The Print Return dialog screen will be displayed. Click Print to download your client's e-filed copy. Some key notes. The Print Packet drop-down menu defaults to e-file copy. The Mask Sensitive Information checkbox will be selected, and the watermark checkbox will be selected with Do Not File, e-filed copy. For 1040 individual tax returns, the e-filed copy print packet includes Form 9325 Acknowledgement and General Information for taxpayers who file returns electronically, and all forms, schedules, and/or worksheets that were used when the return was e-filed. For 1065, 1120, 1120S, 1041, and 990 returns, the e-filed copy print packet will include all forms, schedules, and/or worksheets that were used when the return was e-filed. Note: to protect you and your client, the default settings for the e-filed copy print packet cannot be modified. You will not be able to print forms that were not included in the e-filed return. If changes are required, please amend the return if necessary. When you open the PDF, your client's accepted or rejected e-filed return print packet will be displayed. The Do Not File e-filed copy watermark will print on every page. The acknowledgement date will print on every page, and the submission identification number will print on every page. Last key note: this feature is only available for tax year 2022 and future seasons. This completes the training video on how to use the MyTaxPrepOffice Print e-Filed Return feature. If you have additional questions, please visit the Solution Center by clicking the Support button at the top of your MyTaxPrepOffice screen. Thanks for watching.